Today we're gonna make this super easy dessert called bird's milk. First, I'm gonna get the gelatin ready. Add hot water and let it sit for like 5 minutes so it can do its thing. Now we need 350 grams of sour cream. Let's measure that out. We need 200 grams of condensed milk. It's about half of this can. And a little bit of vanilla. Now we just mix it all. The gelatin is all dissolved now. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in and mix again. And now I'm gonna put them in the little cups. And leave some room on the top so we can add the chocolate on top. And put this in the fridge until the gelatin is hardened. And then the remaining of this liquid, I'm gonna add some cacao powder and whisk well. Now it's a little firm, so we can add this chocolate pudding on top. It's gotten a little harder too, so it's a little hard to put on, but it will taste good anyway. Add this chocolate pudding on top. I have blended and toasted pecan nuts. Okay, and now put it back in the fridge.
Nice!